So in this video we're going to talk about how to copy formatting from one cell to another using the Format Painter. The Format Painter is one of the coolest things, features in any of the Microsoft Office suite applications, whether it's Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Access, Publish, or whatever. You have the ability to copy formatting without knowing what the formatting actually is to another place in your document. And so I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's go over to the Excel spreadsheet that I have open. This is a workbook called Contoso Painter Paste Special. It's in lesson 6 if you're in my class. And I'm on sheet 2. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click on cell A5. So this says patient here. So I'm going to go up to my home tab. I'm going to apply some formatting. So I'm going to click on the center button. I'm going to center align it. I'm going to underline it. We're going to change the font color. We're going to change it to a dark blue color. It's a dark blue text too. And so what if we received this file from someone else and they asked us to do some formatting, make it the way we like it, but we pick up on something, maybe a pattern that they've already established in their formatting, and we don't know exactly what they've done. We don't know what font they've used. We don't know necessarily what color it is. So all the different attributes, they could have done 5, 10, 15 different things to that cell to format it. And we don't need to go back and recreate that and try to match it. All we got to do is take their formatting and apply it to the rest of the cells that we want to apply it to. So with this cell selected, we're going to go to our Home tab and use the Format Painter button that's in our clipboard group. So click Format Painter. And now you'll notice that your cursor is a big bold plus sign and there's like a little paintbrush next to it. And it's also showing that what you're trying to copy is the cell that you had selected. It's got the little marching ants border going around it. So we're going to paint. We're going to paint B5 to C5. So we want to paint the other two cells. So all we have to do is drag over B5 to C5. But we probably want to click and drag and hold, or click and hold and drag. And there we go. And it applies the formatting that you had in A5 to the rest of the cells. And you can apply that to anywhere. But here's the thing you need to watch out for. Once you paint something, the Format Painter turns back off. So if you want to keep applying this formatting to maybe another cell in your spreadsheet, you need to go back, and while you still have the thing that you want to copy the format from selected, then you go back and turn the Format Painter back on, because it will turn off each time you paint something and release the mouse.